Hi, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Hope you've enjoyed a pleasant weekend. It's actually Monday here. And towards the end of last week, I completed this little brag book, memory book. It's a little Australiana book, and as I mentioned before, it's made from a very pretty little set of 6x6 papers, stickers, cutouts, all sorts of little bits and bobs. Still a little bit left in the pack. I've used most of the papers. But as I mentioned, what I've done with this one, I've bound it using my Zutter binder. And I've attached some ribbon and, what's this, organza, white organza to the binding here. And all this white you see up here is, I've added tags. And I've used the same white organza for all the tags. So the front and the back of this little, I'm calling it a brag book. It's a little memory book. I have laminated. I've laminated two pieces of the design paper together. So it's front and back, and the same for the back of the book. Each page, or between each page, I've added some plain white paper, really for any journaling or just to separate the pieces. So I'll do a quick flip through. Not a lot to say really. The pages are all two pieces together, and I've stitched. I've got various pockets, bands, like this one here, side pockets, all sorts in here. And I've added cards. They can be journaling cards. You could add pictures on here, whatever. So front and back of each page has a pocket of some description or a belly band. This one's got quite a large journaling card, so a larger picture could go on here. I've used stickers. I've used some of my dies to die cut an edge. Just a pocket there, more stickers. We flip it over. On this page, I've added an envelope. So I've made an envelope with my envelope board, cutting board, or marking board really, isn't it? And I've added a few of the stickers in here for use later on in the album. Again, as I say, each page turn, you'll see the two pages have been stitched together. And over on this side, the first of the tags. And again, I mean, you can add pictures, journaling, just take these out and put pictures in here. I've just added the tags. Some of them I've made into pockets. You'll see that as we go along. Okay, so this one here, this is a pocket, and I've added a couple of pieces in there. But again, you know, you could replace those and add pictures. Plain on the other side. Here's a little corner tuck. And this tag was actually part of the kit. I've just added a piece on the top. Here, same again. Just a tag, pretty tag, very plain. I mean, you could add pictures to the back of that one, or journal. Add your pictures over here, whatever. Here's another envelope with more bits and bobs, some cutouts, stickers, all sorts in there. Just in there to keep it all together, really. I mean, you could take those out and put a picture in there. You can journal on the envelope, whatever. Journal over this side or add more pictures. Same here, we've got a side pocket. The journaling card, or a tag rather. Just love all these different papers. They go together, obviously it's a kit, they go together really well. Another envelope, bits and bobs in there. I've actually left, I think I did that with all the envelopes, let me just check. Yeah, I did. I've left the envelopes attached on 3 sides, so you could tuck more in behind the envelopes. Here's a little pretty little corner pocket with some lace added. And again, I've made a tag and I've added these. You could slot a picture in there. Or if you've got bigger pictures, obviously you can pop them in behind the tag and use that purely as a journaling tag. Over here, this is the largest of the tags I've added. And this one does have a little pocket at the front here. One of the die cuts, and I've used the hexagonal punch to punch those pieces. Some spare cardstock. This plain cardstock isn't part of the kit. Wherever you see this, this is just a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock from my stash. It's another little pocket, and I've kept the pockets away from here on most of the pages. I think I slipped up once. There again, you can pop a picture behind this one. This one is another of the pieces that you can pop a picture behind. I just slot that there. I mean, obviously that's a bit big, but you could easily slot a picture behind there. Back is plain. On this page, side pocket with some lace. And I've done the same here. I've left this so that you could, if you wanted, you could pop a piece behind there. Picture, whatever. And I've varied the top. Some have got eyelets, the nice big eyelets, and some are just paper pieced. See these nice big eyelets. So that slots in there. This one, this belly band has a really large journaling tag. And again, I've left that so that you could put a picture in there or other bits and bobs, whatever. So what's in here? And that brings us to the back page. So that's basically the last page. Back page, and I've added here, this was, I've used the end of the laminating sheet to add a couple of pieces of the paper to make, if you like, a bookmark. I also laminated a couple of the cutouts and cut those out, added those with a bow and a bulb pin there, and that's another of the stickers at the bottom. So that's just an extra piece. I mean, again, you could add that anywhere in the little book or use it as a bookmark. Oops, attach that on there. It's happening. There we go. Okay, so that's it. As I say, just a small project, just a nice little memorabilia book, and very Australiana. Okay, hope you like this one. It was a fun one to make. Thanks for popping by today, and I hope you've had some crafting time over the weekend, and we can catch up again soon. Thanks, bye.